You won't have to wait much longer for the next iPhones. Apple has sent out invites for an event on September 12, once again at Apple's new Steve Jobs Theater at its campus in Cupertino, California. The company, as usual, didn't specify what it will announce, but it tends to show off its newest iPhones in September. This time around, reports suggest it could introduce 3 new iPhones, as well as new 4th-generation Apple Watch smartwatches and new iPad Pro models. Since the invite was released, 9to5Mac is reporting that at least 2 of the new phones will use the iPhone XS moniker, that's XS, presumably, and a leaked photo the site says is the revised Apple Watch 4 design. And plenty of folks are already deconstructing and poking fun at the invitation's gather round slogan and design. Some believe the bigger hint is the color, as the ring itself is a design Apple uses to represent its Apple Park campus. The iPhone XS is the name of Apple's new iPhone for 2018, and the photo above is our first look at it in 2 different sizes, according to a convincing new leak today. The photo in question depicts the 5.8-inch iPhone XS and 6.5-inch iPhone XS Plus, according to an exclusive report from 9to5Mac, and both have OLED screens. Today's leak comes less than 2 weeks before Apple is expected to announce its new smartphones at the Steve Jobs Theater on Wednesday, September 12. We expect there to be 3 new iPhones, the iPhone XS, the iPhone XS Plus, and a cheaper 6.1-inch iPhone equipped with an LCD screen. Previously, iPhone rumors called these phones the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Plus, and the cheaper iPhone 9. That's all going to change, if today's report is correct. iPhone XS release date and price. The iPhone XS will almost certainly be announced on September 12 and happen in the Steve Jobs Theater at Apple Park, its new San Jose, California headquarters. No surprise, this was where the iPhone X launched last year. This launch event date means the actual iPhone XS release date is likely to be Friday, September 21 or Friday, September 28. Apple typically launches new iPhones on a Friday 1 to 2 weeks after CEO Tim Cook unveiled everything on stage. There have been rumors that not all iPhone 2018 models will ship in September. The cheaper LCD 6.1-inch iPhone may slip to October, say some reports. The price of this LCD iPhone is said to be around the price of the iPhone 8, $699. The iPhone XS price may be $999, inheriting the iPhone X 64GB price, while the iPhone XS Plus will undoubtedly be higher. Apple likes to tack on $100, so this could be the first iPhone that costs $1,999. The iPhone XS photo depicts 2 phones, and both appear to be in the new gold color that's been rumored for several weeks. We're expected the new iPhones to have 3 color options: gold, white, and black. Besides the plus size and the fresh color choice, you won't notice other differences between the iPhone XS and the current iPhone X. It's expected to have an identical stainless steel frame, while the cheaper iPhone for 2018 may have an aluminum frame, like the current iPhone 8, and it may come in as many as 5 colors. All 3 versions of the new iPhone are thought to have Apple's new A12 chipset and run iOS 12 out of the box. Expect a dual lens camera out of the larger phones. The release date is thought to be in late September, so you won't have to wait until November to buy this year's flagship iPhone, like we did with the iPhone X a year ago. Apple typically launches new iPhones on a Friday 1 to 2 weeks after CEO Tim Cook unveiled everything on stage. That would make the release date either Friday, September 21, or Friday, September 28. The Apple Watch May 4 come out on the same day. That's going to cause some people, especially in the US, a problem when trying to upgrade on a year-long plan. However, Apple and carriers may have a solution on September 12.